Would you trek 13 kilometers for a real life fairy tale with your partner? I did and it was absolutely magical. ये जगह साल में सिर्फ 5 महीने के लिए खुलती है. This is Valley of Flowers National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It lies in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. We did this trek in mid-August and this is how you can do it too. The valley opens for visitors from June to October every year. It's a well-known monsoon trek and August is the best time to do this when the flowers are in full bloom. We took a Volvo bus from Delhi to Rishikesh. You can also take a flight or a train to reach here. और ऋषिकेश में एक नाइट स्टे करने के बाद next morning we took a local bus to Govind Ghat and stayed for one night at Hotel Shubham. You can also stay at the Gurdwara here. Next morning हमने एक sharing cab ली which took us to Pulna, which is the starting point of this trek. आज का target था to trek from Pulna till Ghangaria, which is 9 kilometers. You can choose between a guest house, hotel or Gurdwara, wherever you want to stay for the night in Ghangaria. Next morning you'll have two options. Either you can trek from Ghangaria to Hemkund Sahib, which is 6 kilometer one way, or to Valley of Flowers, which is 4 kilometer one way. We choose to do Hemkund Sahib first as it's more difficult and stayed for the night in Ghangaria. And next day we did Valley of Flowers. You can do as per your choice. We started our trek for Valley of Flowers around 7 am. It opens at 7 every day and the last entry is allowed till 12 pm. Entry charges हमने pay किए 150 per person. Now I think it is 200. Entry ticket लेके और कुछ कदम चल के we were like wow, बेहद खूबसूरत नज़ारे. और अभी तो बस ट्रैक शुरू ही हुआ था. Then we crossed this bridge over the Pushpavati river. The trek is of moderate difficulty level but the views kept us going. The trail was crowded due to the Independence Day long weekend but we still managed to reach by 10 am. And as you enter the valley, you'll see over 600 species of flowers. Some were even taller than me. Generally, people go 4-5 kilometers inside the valley to explore. It offers a breathtaking view of the Gauri Parvat and Tipra Glacier. You can also go near the riverbed. Locals का मानना है that fairies still live here. Also, camping is not allowed at all. It's best to carry your own food and water as nothing is available here. We chose to exit around 11:30 क्योंकि भीड़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा आ गई थी and we reached Ghangaria by 1:30. It's best to leave around 2 pm to reach back at the entry point by 5 pm max. You can stay another night in Ghangaria if you wish. We chose to take a pony ride till Pulna as we were really short on time. Make sure to take your trash bag. You can complete both of these treks and reach back to Delhi in 6-7 days and it's possible to do all of this within 10,000 rupees per person. Rest all the details would be in the caption. So tell me,